In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sites to create your website quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and search for Google Sites. Click on the first link that appears. It will take you to the Google Sites homepage. Here, you have two options. Start from a template or start from scratch. Let's choose a template to make things easier. Select your template by clicking the Template Gallery option. Once you've chosen your template from the vast collection, you'll be taken to the Google Sites editor. On the right, you have the toolbar where you can add text, images, videos, and more, and you can customize the layout and design of your site. To add content, click the Insert tab on the toolbar from the right side of your screen and choose what you want to add. And by switching to Theme section, you will be able to change the colors and font as well. Once you're happy with your site, click on the Publish button to make it live on the web. You can keep the website updates from your Google Sites dashboard.